In 1983, Tim Leatherman had one vision: a compact, compatible tool ready for anything. 4 decades later, that vision lives on in the Leatherman Skeletool. Lightweight, tough, and designed for everyday life, the Skeletool packs 7 essential tools in one sleek frame. Multi-use regular pliers and Needlenose, wire cutters, a knife blade, a bit driver, a Carabiner, and bottle opener. Everything you need, nothing you don't. From trails to work days, it's built to go wherever you go. Crafted from stainless steel and backed by Leatherman's 25-year warranty.
Be ready for anything.